In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter your Uber sole trader income into your tax return on MyGov. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to the official MyGov website at my.gov.au. Make sure you are using the genuine government website so your information stays secure and your tax details are entered in the right place. Once you arrive there, sign into your account and continue to the tax area connected with the Australian Taxation Office. This is where your return is prepared and managed, and it's important to work inside the correct return for the relevant year. After you've entered the tax section, open your current active tax return draft. This is the version of your return that is still in progress and available for editing. You want to make sure you're working in the active draft form rather than reviewing an older submission or a completed record. Taking a moment to confirm that now can help prevent mistakes later. Next, scroll down through the sections of the return until you find the area labeled Business Income or Sole Trader Worksheet. This section is used for income earned through work where you are operating as an individual business operator rather than as an employee. If your Uber earnings are being reported as sole trader income, this is the correct place to enter them. Move carefully through the layout so you don't accidentally open the wrong category. Once that worksheet is open, enter your total gross Uber earnings exactly as shown on your annual summary documents. Gross earnings means the full amount earned before any deductions, fees, or expenses are applied, so be careful not to enter a reduced figure unless your summary specifically shows it that way. It's a good idea to compare the number on screen against your documentation one more time before moving on, just to make sure everything matches accurately. When you've finished entering the amount, click Save and Continue. This updates your return draft and carries the income details through the relevant parts of your tax return. Saving at this stage is important because it helps ensure your work is recorded properly before you proceed to any other sections. That's all you need to do for this part of the process. As you work, always double check your figures and keep your annual summary nearby so you can confirm every entry with confidence.